is the Royal Master Grinders model TG-12x4 with our Servo Cycle Ram Bed system. Here at the IMTS Show, this machine is infeed grinding a headed part with the assistance of a bolt-action part loader. The Servo Cycle machine has the same spindles and the same over-the-wheel dressers as the others in the TG-12x4 line. The Ram Bed position control is what makes it unique. The touchscreen controls are user-friendly and makes today's operators more comfortable. The ball screw and servo motor provides infeed grind cycle movement and position control for both infeed and thrufeed. The machine controls are Windows-based, which makes this machine capable of remote access for data report sending, connection for remote troubleshooting, and ready for automation interface. The jobber machine concept is that the machine is cost efficient to purchase, capable of fast setups, fast cycle times, and capable of most any part grind. It is what a job shop would want to have on their floor. This machine is ideal for someone infeed and thrufeed grinding and looking for a moderately priced machine. The first thing you notice is the clean look to the machine base. No gauges, no hand wheels, no hang-on boxes. Everything is put away where it belongs. The machine base and the machine bed are both larger to provide a stable platform for the grinding. Coolant containment is enhanced by the broader platform and deeper trough-ways. Forklift access slots make machine lifting much easier. The Servo Cycle system is designed with the ball screw and servo motor with rotary encoder. Optional linear glass scale. Infeed and thrufeed grind capability. Easy to use touchscreen operator interface. Programmable infeed cycles can be saved and recalled with unique file names. Thrufeed grind with fine resolution positioning to 10 millionths of an inch or 1/4 micron increments. 2 inches of ram bed travel, allowing for removal of grinding gear. Digital readout of ram position. Tachometer and ammeter display on screen. Library storage on PLC of multiple infeed cycle parameters. Expandable I/O for automation. Servo motor driven regulating wheel. Available communication for feed systems. For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your grind application, contact Royal Master Grinders at royalmaster.com. See us at booth 6646 in Chicago.